jumpers in the door. The number 1 man will stand in the door. So as these wings level off here, the number 1 man will be going into the door of the aircraft.
What's wrong? Mom. Nothing, they're going to see. Where you guys want to go?
Anywhere in here now, the stand in the door command is given. The number 1 jumper moves in, and this is when the adrenaline really starts.
Yeah.
They're doing it tomorrow.
Yeah?
But if you want to see it today,
Well, isn't going to be rush crowd
tomorrow? Huh?
Isn't going to be rush crowd tomorrow? So what do we do tomorrow?
That's fine. If you want to wait.
Is that okay?
Yeah. It's up to you.
Because it'll be rush crowd with Chanel's and what if they want to?
I'm sure we'll see it again tomorrow.
Unless you guys want to see it too.
I don't think they want to walk down here.
Alright, let's do it tomorrow then. So it's rush crowd. Or they want to jump GG. Here, come on, take this. No.
I know.
There we are, jumper away. Somewhat maneuverable canopies. However, they do not have the control and drive of a rectangular ram air canopy. You're still at the mercy of the wind, and your whole goal is just to kind of control where you're drifting. These have a maximum weight capacity of about 360 pounds. When you're completely shooted up, the main canopy portion on your back weighs about 29 pounds, and the reserve canopy on your front weighs about 13 and a half. The maximum wind we can jump these canopies in is about 15 miles an hour. Right now these jumpers are falling at approximately 18 feet per second. What you're seeing them do right now is they are orienting their canopies into the wind. This decreases their forward speed and momentum for a nice soft landing.